For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Across the country, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated with much pomp and fervor. However, due to pandemic this year, people won't be able to celebrate the festival like previous years. In order to contain the spread of virus during festival, BBMP has rolled out a set of guidelines. From the number of days the festival could be celebrated to height of the Ganesh idols people can buy, there is a guideline for everything. Responding to the religious sentiments of the people in the wake of the corona pandemic, the government has set guidelines for not compromising traditional Ganeshotsav rituals. BBMP Commissioner N. Manjunath Prasad issued new set of guidelines and requested people to abide by it. Celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi will be restricted to 3 days. Idols placed in public places should not exceed the height of 4 feet. Idols placed at home should be at 2 feet. To avoid crowding, cultural events will be prohibited at public places. Every ward is permitted to have only one Ganesh idol. People must take permission from Zonal Joint Commissioner and Deputy Commissioner before installing Ganesh idol in the ward. Not more than 20 people can be present at the pandal. Idol immersion should be done within 3 days of the celebration. Those keeping the Ganesh idols at home should immerse the idols within their own premises. Every ward will have designated tanks constructed by Karnataka Pollution Control Board for immersing the idol. Along with the PCB, over 250 idol makers have also decided to set up aluminium vessels for idol immersion at 10 different locations. The BBMP has also set up separate vessels for plaster of Paris and clay Ganesh idol immersion. In addition to these rules, the Commissioner requested people to avoid going to religious places even if they are open. If devotees want to visit temple, then they must wear face masks and maintain social distancing in the temple. The BBMP has also asked priests to thoroughly sanitize temple premises and ensure devotees abide by the rules. BBMP Commissioner also requested people not to visit their friends and family members for the festival celebrations. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa took to his Twitter and requested people to celebrate the festival in an eco-friendly manner.
It is the responsibility of every citizen to control the spread of COVID-19. I request all to celebrate the festival in an eco-friendly manner as per the revised guidelines.
BBMP has also prohibited the sale of meat and slaughtering of animals on the eve of Ganesh Chaturthi. All meat shops in the city will be shut on that day as per the instructions of the civic body.